What the 29th prosecution witness told the prosecution, and which was kept under wraps until last night, has infuriated the defense team.
The most important information, Your Honor, which the witness gave them 7 months ago, was that all the confirmation witnesses had provided them with false evidence. And in the 2014 interviews, the prosecution took him to task. They asked him, why didn't you tell us this before? Why are you telling us this only now?
There was nothing in what this witness told the investigator which could have caused him to think that either this witness's evidence was false or the evidence provided by any other witness was false.
The witness did meet with this investigator in 2013, and he did give an indication to the investigator that there's something wrong with the prosecution evidence.
He said nothing of the kind, Your Honours, nothing of the kind. My understanding is what he said was he had information about witness interference. He refused to divulge names. He refused to divulge any further information. When he was called back, he didn't want to talk to the investigator.
The defense team told the judges that they received the disclosure from the prosecution last night at 7 p.m., hours after the court declared the witness hostile on the prosecution's request.
And this, Your Honour, is a serious disclosure breach. And it's a even more worrying breach, Your Honour, because what if the witness had forgotten his conversation with this prosecution in 2013?
The cross-examination of this witness, I submit, will demonstrate that he is a thoroughly unreliable and incredible witness, regardless of these allegations that he has made.
You say this witness is, quote, a thoroughly unreliable and incredible witness. This is a witness you called. You will, of course, tell us why we should continue to listen to this witness.
For the prosecution not to call this witness would have been inappropriate, it would seem. The main aim of the prosecution ultimately is to have the truth before this court. And in that regard, it's necessary for this witness to come and testify in order to establish whether or not the version he gave us originally is the truth, or whether his subsequent recantation and allegations against the prosecution is the truth.
The defense wants the trial halted until the truth about the witness's claims comes to light.
Our application is a request that the prosecution stay its cross-examination and these proceedings be stalled, and they go in and they investigate information they received while this witness was in their custody, so to speak. And this issue, Your Honour, it does go to the heart of the case, Your Honour, and we hope the prosecution is just not going to march on, putting away this very important information they got last night and just proceed with the witness as if nothing happened.
The judges, however, rejected the defense team's application and urged them to revisit the issue when their turn to question the witness comes, if necessary. The rest of the witness testimony would be heard in closed session. Sylvia Chebet for Citizen Business Center.